The Duolingo Proficiency Test is an online test that measures your language skills. It is a standardized test similar to TOEFL and IELTS, and the score reports can be used as a replacement for these tests while applying in foreign universities. Around 2,000 institutions across the globe accepts Duolingo Proficiency Test scores. As it is an online test, candidates are not required to visit any test center. Once the registration process is complete, the Duolingo English test can be taken anytime within 21 days. Language skills in 4 main areas: reading, writing, listening, and speaking is assessed. The test consists of multiple choice questions, translation exercises, and speaking tasks. The candidates will be asked to read sentences or listen to audio clips and choose the correct translation or answer from the options provided. The test consists of 3 segments: introduction and setup, adaptive test, and video interview. The duration of the test is 1 hour. Test score is reported on a scale of 10 to 116. The test results are used to determine the proficiency level ranging from beginner to advanced. The result will be known within 48 hours of taking the test. Results are valid for 2 years.